This is Obsolete, tracking what AI replaces. Anthropic just launched an AI built to speed up science, so why does it ship with a feature that flags claims it can't tie to evidence? Hold that question for a moment. Here's what it is. Anthropic has launched Claude Science, which it calls its flagship AI workbench for scientists. According to MIT Technology Review, it was unveiled at a San Francisco event for pharmaceutical executives, biotech founders, and researchers. Anthropic also says it will use the tool in its own research into drugs for rare, neglected diseases. The reach is broad. According to MIT Technology Review and Anthropic, the workbench connects to more than 60 scientific databases, spanning genomics, proteomics, structural biology, and cheminformatics, aimed at computational biology and drug development. Now the part worth pausing on. MIT Technology Review reports the tool prioritizes reproducibility, so a scientist can trace any figure or result back to its source and check it. And Anthropic says a background reviewer flags claims and numbers it cannot tie to evidence before those results surface. According to Anthropic's product page, that reviewer flags incorrect citations, untraceable numbers, figures that don't match their underlying code, and any result you can't trace back to its source. That safeguard exists for a reason. AI can produce Fluent output that is simply wrong, the hallucination problem these tools are marketed to address. For context, and only context, consider the reproducibility question that predates any of this. According to a 2016 Nature survey by Manya Baker of 1,576 researchers, more than 70% had failed to reproduce another scientist's experiments, more than half had failed to reproduce their own, and 52% agreed there was a significant crisis. That's the backdrop against which a reproducibility feature reads. So, back to the question. A tool built to accelerate science ships with a mechanism to catch its own unverifiable claims because AI still produces output that sounds right and isn't, output a human has to verify. Worth being precise here, the reproducibility framing is raised by the product's own marketing, not by us. The safeguard is the tell. Speed and trust are being sold together, and for now, the burden of validation still lands on the scientist. I'm Lindsay Frost. Stay current.